audience got into the context of what you were doing. So that was really good because it's important to set a context before we move forth with our style of speech and the particular kind of speech we're doing. So that was really good. And the way you involve the audience, the way you ask them to take out their bottles, the way you ask questions, and asking the questions and yours and the choices of the people you asked, you went for the simpler ones instead of where you would have an answer. So I think that was kind of well planned instead of going for something like really, instead of really stunning people. So that went smooth. And the last bit where you said, and a toast to Arjun. So the bit of humor, I think it added on to the flavor of all of what happened, the toast. And now I'd like to talk a bit about what could have been better. And when you said it's a toast to Arjun, it seriously felt like it was a toast to you. Because you were talking about, I thought, okay, yeah, you're right. And everyone was laughing. I was like, he's right, it is a toast to him. Because you were speaking about how you joined the club. And so I think it could have been better if you talked about, you created a setting where it was more about the club. Where there could have been more photos about the club, about what we do. And another thing was that you were roaming around too much, like it was you're toasting at your ex wedding and they still didn't feed you. You're like everywhere. So you're toasting the club. It's something you're happy about. So take a stance. And something important I think about toasts is that the more reliable, the more friendly the person seems, the more value a toast gets. I mean, when you have your marriage or something, you want to listen, you look forward to your friend's speech because that is one person who's going to speak about you in a way that it shows in his eyes. You know, this guy, though he scolds you or whatever he says, there is that feel in his voice which automatically comes. And when you are doing when you're doing a speech, right, I think it is important that you create it, the modulation, the breaks, what happened in a moment. And when you were involving audience, you could have gone for something like, you remember the day when we were at Barclays, you remember the time when we ate so many chicken nuggets during the refreshment, something like that, something the audience can really connect to. And so it's important to make the audience feel good, put in a joke here and there, and because there are many guests, it's important to put in jokes they understand. So when everyone giggles, there is an atmosphere which everyone enjoys, as if this really is a celebration. And coming to the visuals, you could have gone for visuals which add on to the toast. Because generally toasts don't have a visual, and this being a 2 to 3 minute, that took over your place. So I think these points can be improved upon. Looking forward to your next speech.